So I got this wig in the mail. Super grateful for it, for another collaboration. However, I have braids in my hair. So we're gonna try to see how I can figure this out so I can get this content done and, you know, do what I need to do and also maintain my current hairstyle. So stay tuned. Okay. So the irony of me having braids and being since a braided wig, you can't make this up. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the wig. I didn't glue it down or anything. I literally just sat it on top of my head. And I think I can do what I need to do. I'm gonna just have to really like put foundation here and then we'll be good to go. Stay tuned. So I took it off. I took the cap off and I just have my braids. And honestly, it looks so much better. I'm still going to tint the scalp so it's like my shade, but it's not bad. It is not bad. All right, stay tuned.
Really likes your comfy bed. You're gonna see both of your hair.
Huh?